In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Microsoft Forms QR code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your form, switch to a presentation view, and display a QR code that people can scan from their phones to get to your form instantly. First, head to Microsoft Forms in your browser. If you're prompted, sign in with your work or school account so you can access your forms and create new ones. You'll land on a dashboard where you can see existing forms and start fresh. Next, choose whether you're working with a survey or a quiz. Either option works for sharing with a QR code, so pick the one that matches your purpose. Surveys are great for feedback and registrations, while quizzes are perfect for knowledge checks and assessments. The process to share is the same. Now open the form you want to share. In this example, we'll open a form titled Animal Quiz, but you can select any form from your list. Make sure the form is ready for responses with the questions and settings the way you want them, because what you're about to share is exactly what respondents will see. Once your form is open, look to the upper right corner of the screen for the present option. Present mode is designed to make sharing live in a room or meeting incredibly simple. It brings the key joining methods, like a link, a join code, and a QR code, front and center, so your audience can connect quickly without you copying or pasting anything. Click Present. Your screen will switch to a clean, full-screen view that's easy to read on a monitor or projector. This is ideal for classrooms, meetings, events, and trainings. You'll see the information your audience needs to get into the form without any clutter. From here, select the QR code option. This will display a scannable QR code prominently on the screen. Ask participants to open their phone camera and point it at the code. Most modern phones recognize QR codes automatically and show a link to open the form. If someone's device doesn't detect it right away, suggest they increase screen brightness or move a little closer. It helps to test the QR code yourself before the session so you know it's working as expected. A few quick tips as you share. Remind your audience that if the form is limited to your organization, they'll need to be signed in with the correct account to respond. Keep the code visible long enough for everyone to scan it, and ensure your display is clear and high contrast for easy detection. And that's it. Your Microsoft form is now ready to be accessed via QR code.